In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize fields in Jira. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting with this powerful project management tool, knowing how to tailor fields to your specific needs can drastically improve your workflow and productivity. Let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step. First, we'll start by heading to the Jira website. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the official Jira login page. Once you're there, click on the option to sign in with your Google account. Using your Google credentials not only streamlines the login process but also ensures an added layer of security. Once you're successfully logged in, the next step is to find your way to the relevant project board. On the left-hand panel of the Jira interface, you'll see a list of options. Navigate down until you find your project board and click on it. This area is where you manage and keep track of all your ongoing tasks and issues. Within your board, identify the specific task you want to work on by clicking on it. This will open a dialog window showing the details of that task. Now, you'll want to scroll down through this dialog window to expose further options and configurations. Keep scrolling until you reach the bottom right of the window. Here, you'll see a link labeled Configure. Clicking on this link will direct you to the configuration settings for your task. It's within these settings that you can make adjustments to better fit the unique requirements of your project. Continuing to the very bottom right, you'll notice another link labeled Go to Custom Fields. By clicking this, you are taken to the area where all existing fields are listed and where you can create new ones. This is the heart of customizing your Jira experience. To begin creating a new field, look towards the top right-hand corner of the page. You'll see a button labeled Create New Field. Click it and you'll be prompted with various field types to choose from. Selecting the appropriate field type is crucial, as it will determine how data is entered or displayed. Once you've chosen the field type that suits your needs, the next step is to give your field a name. Type in a concise yet descriptive name that clearly conveys the purpose of the field. A well-named field helps maintain clarity and consistency within your project. Finally, after naming your field and confirming your selection, click on the Create button to finalize the process. Congratulations, you've successfully customized a field in Jira. This tailored approach ensures that your Jira dashboard is not only more user-friendly, but also aligned precisely with your project's goals and needs. Thank you for joining me on this tutorial. If you found it helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on enhancing your project management skills. Until next time, happy customizing!